Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 85 and I will discuss a Dawn newspaper vocabulary. So the first one is decorum. So the meaning of decorum is etiquette, behavior, conventionality, protocol, properness, correctness, appropriateness. Next one, hurl. So, throw or impel with great force, propel, project. Next one, inaptitude. So, the meaning of inaptitude is lack of skill or ability. Next one, inanity. So, shallowness, pointless, lack of sense or meaning. Next one, slender. So, misrepresentation of character. Another meaning of slender is defamation, misrepresent, spread scandal about, but the most and simplest meaning of slander is defamation. Next one, satire. So the use of a humor, another meaning irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize people stupidity. Next one, contentious. So the meaning of contentious is argumentative, quarrelsome, jangju, a disputation, a combative, jangju, a disputable, tanazia, debatable, behes, बातचीत. Next one, requisition, an official form on which a request is made to a senior or to a boss. Next one, contravention, so an action which offends against a law, treaty, or other ruling. Another meaning of contravention is breach. So, breach of the law, breach of the treaty, or breach of the statute. The simplest meaning is violation. So, contravention meaning is violation. Next one, intimation. So, the meaning of intimation is indication or a hint. Next one, tacitly. So, unexpressed, unvoiced, unspoken, implicit. The most authentic meaning of tacitly is implicit, wordless. Next one, frugal. So, simple and plain, costing little. Frugal mean spendthrift. Next one, fretting. So the mixture of silica and the mixture of silica and fluxes, which is fused at a high temperature to make glass. Next one, kakistocracy. So kakistocracy is system of government which is run by the worst, least qualified or most unscrupulous citizens. So we can say nihilo kakistocracy, system of government which is run by the worst, the pathetic, the abhor, the disgusting. So the worst, least qualified, ignorant people are most unscrupulous citizens. So it's all for today. All these words are very important for CSS press and composition paper. So it's all for today and thanks for watching Dawn Times. Thank you.